Hello guys! And today we're going I'm going to teach you how to make your perfect bathroom. So easy. Okay, for your perfect bathroom, you need a bathtub. Yeah, really, a bathtub. And also your shower for your shower. And then also you need is toilet. Okay, first we're going to do a shower. All we need is dispenser, quartz slab, block of quartz, glass pane, and then the button, and then the water bucket. Okay, and this one until that's later. So let's get started with this. Go break one block over here, but wait a minute, I'm going to teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to dig 8 by 8, okay? 8 by 8 like that, and put some quartz block, guys. So for the shower, dig that over here, and then put this quartz block, and then just like that, and then another quartz block here, and quartz, and then put think 4. Oh yeah, it's 4. It's 5. 5 blocks top. 5 block tops. 5 block top. Okay, guys. 5 block tops. Okay, top blocks. Okay. So at that thing, put a dispenser, and then put there, like that. Do what I do. So I deal with RedStone Tutorials, the best you will ever. There, put the button like that, guys. So make that like that, easily like this. So then after that, put water in the dispenser. So it's done. Wait, let's try it if it works. Yeah, it really works nice. It really works. As you can see, we finished that, so we're going with the toilet. The toilet is put one block here, and another block here, and then quartz block here, and then block here, and then and then quartz stairs, and there, over there. Then you also need this and this. So okay, put the lever, this, and there. You are finished on your, and there, for the last, really, and not the least, I don't care what is it, just put block here, another stairs here, and then block here, another block here. So it's so windy here, so it's okay on me. I think it's a storm on here. Alright, so okay. Put block, wait, so that. Oh, and I forgot. We needed this. Flint and steel and yeah, quartz slab is needed. So okay, there. This we need flint and steel, netherrack. But guys, make sure that your your settings fire spread is off, so it won't be so dangerous. Okay, destroy that till the bedrock shows, and then put that, and then deal with the flint and steel, and then go just like that. But it's not working. Oh yeah, there it is. It's called the hot tub of mine. There, put slabs there. Then put your... Oh, also destroy it. Here we go. So guys, it's almost done. All we need is the water. Put water there and then water there. That was a glitch. Yeah. And then finally, build it your bathroom. Just okay, so your bathroom is almost done. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. If you watched till end, you know how to do it also. Okay, here. How to make your perfect bathroom. Perfect bathroom. And you also guys needed one more thing for bathrooms, or some must be a mirror, but I don't know how to make mirrors, so this is perfect. This is already perfect. And then break 2 blocks here, destroy this, put there, and then here we go. We are going to place door. I forgot the door. And then you design it. Okay, I like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe my channel. Also, be a part of my video. Okay, bye.